Hey there guys, Shaqtech from Shaqtech here, long time no see. Today we're going to be doing something a little different from our regular tech videos, looking at doing something more automotive based. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be replacing your boot struts. So these are the struts on your boot to make sure they don't keep falling down, so your gas in these struts may have run out and it might be time to replace the struts. These are really simple to do yourself. You don't need to go to a mechanic to get it done. All you need to simply do is order the struts themselves. They come in pairs. They can cost anywhere between like $30 to $60 depending on your make and model of car. My car that we're going to be working on today is the Mini Copper R50, but it's a relatively simple method of doing it, and it's relatively similar methods of taking them on and off. They're usually clipped on. So alright, first things first is the only tool we're really going to need for this task is a flathead screwdriver, like so. Any size really does. Make sure that it's kind of sturdy because we're going to be using these to unclip the existing boot struts and the new boot struts themselves. And yeah, to this, so I'm going to be showing you how to unclip the bootstrap hooks. Firstly, close up so it's a lot easier for you guys to see. So imagine this is the top of your strut. What you want to do is get your flathead screwdriver and you want to stick it into the gap you see on the top. And all you want to do is gently pull up on it, and what it's going to do is it's going to clip it up. Now you don't want to go all the way out, but just so that it comes out. And what that's doing is unclipping the two holes inside the strut itself, and therefore it will come off. And so you want to do this for the top and bottom, so both the top and bottom have these clips, and yeah, that's what you're going to want to do. When you're taking these off, maybe ask a friend or family member to keep the boot up if it is falling down constantly. Otherwise, you're like me, you're going to need to find a stick or a broomstick or something to make it propped up. Yeah, safety first. Like so. So now I'm going to unclip the bootstraps with the flathead screwdriver now. Cool. One done. And sweet, second one out. This one needed a little bit more of a jerk off to get it off. It was a bit more tight on there, a little bit of a pull, and they both came out. Yeah, that's one thing. If it is really old, you may just need to put a little bit of effort into it even if you pull the clip out. But yeah, good as gold. Both are out now. Now to put in the new ones. So before we put in the new ones, you're going to want to unclip it first so that the clip is loose, and that will make it easier just when you put it out. Now it's easier to put the bottom ones in first, just because it's a bit more tighter to put it into. So yeah, we're going to be clipping in the bottom ones first. Awesome, we've got one down. Now to put in the other one. Second one going on. And boom, now you can see there is, you can see we have no longer got to have a support on it anymore. Both struts are in and the boot is staying up by itself. Now let's try to close it. Well, it's relatively strong, but awesome. and it shuts down as perfect. Now let's try open it up again. Awesome. It's like good as new. And it was quite relatively easy. I was able to do pretty much both struts in maybe under 10 minutes. So if I could do it, you can do it. Yeah. Sweet, that's it for today's video. Hope that was really useful for you guys. It was, yeah, as I mentioned, it's relatively simple to do. I was able to put the actual installation and removal in maybe less than 10 minutes. So yeah, if any of your boot struts are getting old and the gas is running out, you can see how simple it is to do it yourself. No need to go pay a mechanic to do it. Save yourself a little bit of money and do it yourself. Let me know if you want more automotive tutorials. I quite enjoyed doing these. I'm starting to work a bit more on my car, so let me know below if you want to see some more tutorials and specifically what tutorials you want to see. But as always, take care and eyeball one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.